Welcome back, SES family. This is Chef Bobby here with
Jude, 7 years old, 4 feet 10, originally from Buttercream.
Alright guys, we're back. Our cakes are in the oven still. We're going to make our buttercream icing. Pretty simple recipe. First thing you're going to need is 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, which I've got right here.
Unsalted mean?
Unsalted means there's no salt in it.
Like salt water?
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and add our butter.
If you've ever seen the one in the movie, maybe we'll share the video of the of my musical with you.
If I can videotape the your number, maybe we'll be able to show a little bit of it next week.
Yes.
Okay.
And if we can, we'll make a bonus video. I don't know how we're gonna do that. Actually, I do know we can. How we can do it.
So we've got our butter in there. We're going to whip it up a little bit. Now this is room temperature butter. Okay. Again, if you want to soften it in the microwave, you can for 30 seconds. I would just leave it in there for a little bit, so even though it's not going to melt completely, it'll still be soft when you're ready to use it. Yes, do you have something to say? Oh, I'm going to need more vanilla. Hang on one second. Jude, share with the group something.
I cannot wait to show you my... what should I show? What should I show, Dad?
Alright, I'm back. Just had to get more vanilla.
I was going to show him something.
Yeah? So we need 3 teaspoons of vanilla. So... do 1, 2, and I'm gonna have to open up this other one. And 3.
Aw, I want to do it.
But you can help me do the sugar.
Yes.
Okay?
Can I dump it?
So now we're gonna add, well, let me make this together real good. What, no mixer dance?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so now we have that, we're gonna add 4 cups of confectioner's sugar. Growing up, we used to call it powdered sugar. It's very thin, almost silky-like feel. It's not as sandy as regular sugar. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's very nice. So we're going to add, all right, this is 2 cups here. So we're going to go ahead and add that slowly. Okay?
Yeah. Can I use my milk?
No, because you drank out of it. We don't want to use that.
Yeah, there's my milk.
You're going to add it in nice. You're going to add it in nice and slowly.
Oh yeah, I got something I want to share with the audience.
What's that?
I had a sleepover, a 3-person sleepover with, including my cousin's BFF, and me at my cousin's house. Her name is Brooke, and her BFF, his name's Addie. Brooke's 12, gonna be 13. I'm 13. No, she's 11, gonna be 12 in August. Addie is 13. She's gonna be 14 in September.
The more you know. All right, we're gonna add the second 2 cups of powdered sugar. Now let's do it on the side. So
Dump it out.
there you go. Now, if you're going to do that, make sure mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or aunt and uncle are helping you do it. Or older brother and older sister. Okay?
Or older cousin if you live with your cousin.
All right.
Or have a sleepover with them.
So we've got all our confectioner's sugar in there. Again, we're going to use our rubber spatula and we're going to push down the sides. Okay.
Give me, Daddy.
Alright, so it's all mixed together now. So now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. Okay?
Can I pour it and dump it?
You can pour it.
But I can't dump it.
You can dump it. Go ahead. 4 tablespoons. Tablespoons is the big one.
Yeah, the biggest one of the bunch.
Okay, you got to be careful though. No spills.
Sorry. Bungee, 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 dads.
Good. 1.
2. Oh my gosh, that was just almost over the mark.
Come on, we gotta do 2 more. One more. There we go. And 1 more. Oh,
Extra
that
milk.
was extra milk. I hope our buttercream icing turns out.
Good. I hope it turns out better.
Alright, so what we're gonna do.
Last
Oh, there's still some powdered sugar in here.
Should we put it in for extra flavor?
Well, it's supposed to go in there, so we'll just add it in.
For extra flavor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because extra flavor makes everything taste better.
Yeah? Okay.
Or worse.
Now we're going to mix it up until it's nice and fluffy.
It's either better or worse, but we hope it's better.
Now the recipe says we have to beat it for 3 to 4 minutes. So it's starting to look good. So I guess we should let it beat. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. But remember, after you get everything together, you want to beat it for 3 to 4 minutes. And we'll continue to do that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Should we do it for a little more? Just
Isn't that
to
pretty? All right, now
just
we're going to go ahead.
Should we put it in for even more for extra fluffiness?
Yeah, we're going to beat it for another 3 minutes. And that's our buttercream frosting. Now remember, let your cake cool completely before you try to put your icing on it. Now this is, I always do extra because we're actually making 2 cakes today. We're going to make one for the neighbors. So if
Not
you
our
wanna,
crazy neighbors.
If you want to, if you want to do a single batch of the buttercream icing, it's going to be half a cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. And you're going to make it the exact same way. So I'm going to go ahead and let this beat. You guys have a great week. Can't wait to see you next time. This is Chef Bobby
and Chef Assistant Jude, 7 years old, 4 feet 8, 4 feet 10, originally from Bel Air, MD.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Bye.